Hi friends. Yellow bumps near the eyes might look like just a cosmetic issue, but did you know they could be linked to your heart health? Today we are going to talk about Xanthelasma, why it appears, what it is, and what you can do about it. So stay tuned. Now what is Xanthelasma? These are yellow patches that appear on or around the eyelids. They may be flat or slightly raised and form when cholesterol or fat deposits build up under the skin. While they are not harmful on their own, they can be a warning sign of heart disease. Why do they form? About half of the people with Xanthelasma have higher cholesterol, often inherited. The other half doesn't have raised cholesterol, so it suggests other causes of inflammation. Who is at risk? You are at risk if you smoke, if you are overweight, have a high cholesterol, high blood pressure or diabetes, are of Asian or Mediterranean origin, and women are slightly more prone to develop this. How is it diagnosed? A doctor can usually spot Xanthelasma just by looking. They may also check your blood lipids, that is the cholesterol and fats, to see if there's any underlying issue. Treatment options. Xanthelasma doesn't disappear on its own. It can stay the same size or get bigger. If removal is desired for cosmetic reasons, options include laser or cryotherapy, that is freezing, surgery or chemical peels. There may be some side effects like scarring, skin color changes, and sometimes even recurrence. Can it be prevented? Managing cholesterol can reduce the risk and recurrence. So simple steps include avoiding or reducing saturated fats in your diet, exercising daily at least 5 days a week, and third, avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol intake. Xanthelasma can signal early heart disease. Cholesterol buildup in your blood vessels can block the blood vessels in your heart or your brain, resulting in a heart attack or even stroke. So regular checkups and managing your lifestyle and making changes in your diet can go a long way towards protecting your heart health. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Do like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos on eye health and general health.